Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed in about 2 weeks and it feels like forever. So today I thought we would do a full on makeup haul. Yes. Most of the stuff was bought from TK Maxx and a little like free products from Too Faced, but I just threw everything in this bag. PS, I was meant to film this video like 2 weeks ago, but I ended up filming something else, like a makeup look, a tutorial, and that took forever, like forever. People think it's easy just doing like a little makeup look, like a little tutorial online. No, that fucking thing was stressful. I don't know how Naked Tutorials and stuff does it. Like, thank God she's got a team that edits and stuff for her because I was stressed up just doing one video. Anyway, I do have quite a lot of products in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's lipsticks, lip liner, brushes, palettes, contour. There's a bit of everything, to be honest. Except from foundation. My Beauty Bay order is meant to be here today, I think, which is so exciting. I cannot wait. 30% off everything at Beauty Bay right now, guys. I went batshit crazy. I probably shouldn't have, but I got eyelashes, foundations, highlighters. I'm just so excited for it to be delivered. I better move its fucking ass. So I think we'll just jump into something. Sorry, I'm dog sat my dad's dog and now he thinks it's a great time to play. Oh, look at that. Look at the camera, my baby boy. Okay, I had to give him a treat. Anyway, let's just jump straight into the makeup haul, guys, since I haven't been here forever. Hi, I'm Scott. So, disclaimer, because I was supposed to do this video like 2 weeks ago, I have used some of the products. Like tonight, I've used quite a lot of the products tonight in my face to try stuff out, and already I'm not liking like one or two of the products. So, I think we'll just start with a classic MAC lip liner. You've all seen it before. This is in the colour Spice. I actually got this from ASOS. This was like £12, something like that. Or the total came to £12 or £14. Straight guys are like, what? For a fucking pencil? Anyway, yeah, MAC lip liner in the colour Spice. I was wearing it tonight, but it's sort of melted off by now. The next product I want to talk about is the Tom Ford Eye Colour Quad in the colour Honeymoon. So pigmented. I got this 2 days ago from TK Maxx. You guys see? So pigmented. It comes with 2 brushes. I actually bought it because of the red in here. Don't know if you guys can see. You guys. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh no, my fucking Tom Ford shadows on the ground. Oh my god. Two of them just fell out. No wonder it was on fucking TK Maxx, you bastards. Look at my Tom Ford palette. Fucking Honeymoon. Oh my god, it's off the floor again. That's got to be covered in cat. Fuck you, Tom Ford. That's a joke. But it's still Tom Ford, so. So I'll try and do a swatch here, and this is the red colour from the Honeymoon palette. Hopefully it swatches well, because I haven't used it in my eye yet, but it was the red colour that caught my eye. Oh, it is really nice, but I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on the screen. Face to face, it's got a beautiful pearlescent shine to it almost. And I really want to put that in the middle of my eye with maybe browns around the crease. I've got so many ideas for it, but hopefully it blends well. That's all I'm hoping for. I don't really care about swatches. Swatches are nice to look at, but it's how does the product actually work? I may actually do a video on me using like all my new products together to see how they perform and stuff. Is that a good idea? Let me know. And don't worry guys, I'm not getting fancy or anything. Like, I'm still a drugstore bitch at heart, okay? It's fucking for TK Maxx, Camden. Next product. So since I just done that Tom Ford palette, I think I'm gonna spin it around, flip the switch with my true baby, my true drugstore boyfriend revolution. I got 2 new palettes from them. So I actually did film a tutorial with the SoFX palette. Probably a bit dirty by now. Oh my god, yes it is. I use this quite a lot. It is beautiful. The colours are way up my alley. Anything with yellows and oranges and reds, that's my go-to colour family. Oh, and this beautiful purple here. It goes so well with the reds and browns. Anyway, a story on that palette. I tried to film a tutorial twice. I sat for 6 hours filming this beautiful eye look. So gorgeous, delicious. Went to edit it and the whole file was like fucked up. The lighting as well kept changing in the video, so the eye look looked shit one minute, it looked brilliant the next. I noticed the light behind me ran out of battery, but I didn't notice whilst I was filming. I only noticed it whilst I was editing, so it made the whole video look completely different, and I didn't want that. I wanted a professional looking one because it was going to be my first makeup tutorial. I've not done a real tutorial, a sit down tutorial yet. It didn't go well. So I tried to film it the next day. I moved all my stuff over to my dad's because I thought he was going to be out, I can have the place to myself, now I can record all day if I want. Bitch, I had no clue the construction workers were in next door and they were drilling, banging, throwing stuff about. As you can imagine, that video never went well either. I just gave up, binned it, moved on. But it is a beautiful palette, like beautiful palette. The other palette that I got from Revolution is this baby, and I think this may be my favourite palette as of yet. But these colours are so after my heart. These are the colours I would probably choose if I was creating a palette myself. I would put a yellow in there and a lighter orange, I guess, but so beautiful, so beautiful, especially this dark pink here. It's very dark Barbie pink for some reason when light hits it. I actually filmed a look on this 2 nights ago or 3 nights ago, so I'm going to edit that video soon and get it up for you guys. It will probably go up after this video because it's much easier to edit haul videos than it is to edit a tutorial. But anyway, this is the Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. It's only £4 guys, and if you go into Beauty Bay you will get it for like £2.50 or something right now. That's crazy. The pigmentation on this bad boy is out of this world, like seriously. I would say it's actually better than the Soph X palette, which is weird. Look at that, that is crazy from like a £4 palette. If I was ever to do a brand deal or put my face to any product or brand, it would be Revolution. I've repped them for so many years. Well, I can't do it now with a fucking kettle on, can I? Fucking ripped. I'll be 2 minutes, guys. This cow's trying to make a coffee.
Yeah, make it for me. How can you do?
I'm fucking filming. Chasing a career. So I just got a glimpse of myself in the mirror, guys. I had to put on a hat and I changed my lipstick. The lipstick is fucking ugly, I know, but it's already on now and I'm not going to reapply it. I didn't know my hair was a total mess while I was doing that, so thank you for not telling me. But let's just move on to the next products that I purchased from TK MAXX, shall I? This is the Blush Trios by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Cocktail Party right here, and it's got like a red blush in it. I was going for that whole sunburn look there for a while. Really nice, really pigmented. The only thing is I noticed when I was using them, they are really powdery. Look at that mirror already. Covered in powder, and I just used that tonight. This is in the colour Pink Passion. That's all I can say about them. They're the blush duos from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They are beautiful and pigmented. The only thing is they are powdery, so just be warned. I don't mind that though, just a quick glow and you're ready to go. The next product I've got from TK Maxx is the NARS Contour Blush. This was going for £32 retail and their price is £20. So this is in the colour Gina. I just got it because I thought this colour here would be really good for contouring the nose. This is a lovely dark shade, but I don't know if it's a little bit too dark to contour with. It is very pigmented, so you have to be careful. But anyway, it is a good like blush contouring palette thing. I also picked up this blush from Le Balm, and it's the Insane in the colour, what colour is this? It's a very cute packaging. I don't know what the colour name is because it's in French, all of that. Toile, I'm guessing. T-O-I-L-E. It is a nice coral orangey sort of blush. Very pigmented. You only need to dab this or you will look like a clown. So this was going for like £4 in TK Maxx. That's amazing. So of course I was picking it up. There was other colours, so I might go back and pick up the other colours. Not sure. But until then, let's just move on to the next product, shall we? We're really skimming through these guys before the rest of my makeup just melts off. I can feel it just sinking into my pores. The next product I got was from Too Faced, and it's their Cocoa Contour Chiseled to Perfection. It's just the face highlight and contour kit. This is in the shade medium to deep. This shade right here for contouring, it's perfect for my skin tone. I'm using it tonight, but I did go a little bit too harsh. It was my first time trying it, so I didn't know. Oh my god, where the fuck's the brush? It did come with a little brush, but I don't know where the brush is. Next product. The next product I got from TK Maxx was the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. This was a little gift set thing, and I wanted to pick it up for this mostly. This shade is a little bit too dark. Don't get me wrong, I am using it tonight for around my hairline. so I will still use it. It's just not one I'm going to jump for. But I also got this little gift set, the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It is so beautiful on the skin underneath foundation. That's what I've been doing recently, just throwing this over my skin after I've moisturised underneath the foundation, and it just really does give you like a glowy, shiny Tin Man skin. So I finally went to Superdrug and picked up a new Barry M Matte Me Up liquid lipstick. This is in the colour Pose. It's a beautiful nude pink. You know, this is my favourite formulation when it comes to liquid lipstick. Does not crust, doesn't do any of that weird shit that a lot of other ones do. This little baby is a lifesaver. It does come with a lip liner, of course, so it comes in a little kit. Just trust me, guys, just buy the fucking thing, okay? I think it's like $6.99. Come on! Talking about liquid lipsticks, I actually bought 2 new ones from TK Maxx and I already regret it. I think maybe I need to work with them a little bit more, but I think I'm just too used to using my Barry M liquid lipstick that I don't give other ones a chance. I bought the MAC liquid lipstick in the colour High Drama. It is a purple, like a very deep purple. I don't know if you guys will see that. Can you guys see that from there? So I haven't really used it. I did use it once when I was drunk, but I had no makeup on when I was using it, so it didn't look the best. I think sometimes you need to have a full face on to get the full effect. So this is one of those products I'm going to have to jump back into and try. Moving on to another liquid lipstick. I did buy the Tarte liquid lipstick in the colour Vibin'. You can already tell the formulation. This is so fucking weird. I don't know why I bought it. It's because I couldn't open it in the store and I just looked at the car and I'm like, that's beautiful. But when I got to the car, when I got to Ross's car, I'm like, this formulation's weird. I put it on my lips and like 5 minutes later they were all crusty as fuck. So I don't know what kind of formulation this is, but it just ain't the one. No wonder it's in TK Maxx. No offense TK Maxx, but it's like a garage sale, I've already said it before. So all the shit just ends up there and it's a hit and miss whenever you buy at TK Maxx. But that's sort of what I love about it, if that makes sense. Not the biggest fan of this, I'll probably never use it again. That was a waste of money. Anyway, that's I'm fucked off now, I can finally start recording again.
They call it school up.
It's not at school.
Where is it?
Room, why?
I thought it was school this morning. It's at the estate again.
You see the pass? What time's that? Michael, will you got today? What? Will you got? It's like fucking God knows what time. I've got so much fucking going on around me right now. I've got a dog there, 2 cats, Michael's walking over there and Aduna's over there, so yeah, this is just not awkward at all. Oh my god, what are these animals doing?
This little nose that.
This video's a shit show, isn't it? The next product that I got from TK Maxx, I am really pissed off about. I bought the Dolce & Gabbana eyeliner. I was looking for a colour, but it literally just says Dolce & Gabbana, the eyeliner Crayon Intense. It is a brown sort of glittery eyeliner thing. So I'm really pissed the fuck off because when I bought it, I never noticed. For some reason, in my brain, I thought this was a lip liner. And I thought a brown lip liner by Dolce & Gabbana. This is a steal, I'm buying it. Because it's fucking Dolce & Gabbana, you know? I will make this work somehow. I will put this into Anyway, the last new product that I got was from Too Faced, and this is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the colour Snow. I've used it all week. It's amazing. Just trust me. Okay. Anyway guys, that was my haul. I'm so sorry if I skimmed through it so fast. I'm just going to take all this makeup off. It's falling apart. I feel disgusting. Ugh. If you get any questions about the products that I bought, just ask me and I'll let you know. If you want to know the colours, etc. and how they work, just comment down below and I'll reply ASAP. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really do appreciate it and I love you big much. Please like, subscribe, what's the other thing? Ring the bell and all that other generic bullshit. Insert here. Love ya. Mwah. That's me fucking done. I need to take this off. Mwah.